Today we're taking one of the most famous and unforgettable drives in all of Hawaii, the road to Hana. This legendary journey along Maui's eastern coastline is about so much more than just reaching Hana. Along the way, we'll travel down winding roads surrounded by lush tropical rainforest, cross historic one-lane bridges, chase incredible waterfalls, explore beautiful black sand beaches, and stop at some amazing hidden gems along the way. With hundreds of curves and breathtaking views around nearly every corner, the road to Hana is an adventure all on its own. From towering waterfalls and tropical plants to rugged coastlines and some of the most beautiful scenery we've ever experienced. This is one journey we'll never forget. So come along with us as we spend the day exploring one of Maui's most iconic adventures, the incredible road to Hana. Let's go. Welcome to Terra Family Adventures, a channel that strives to explore the world and show our kids what beauty it holds. On our channel, we not only want to see everything we've dreamed of, but we want to share it with others also. If you enjoy our videos, we ask you to please like and subscribe so we can continue our journey.
Look at our sweet ride. Look at those tiny tires. Oh, the inside. Oh, beautiful. All right, let's get Maui. Let's explore. All right, guys. That was my Micro Zero back there, and we
are on the road to Hana.
Let's explore all this road. We hope we're going to try to see as much as we can. We're going to take you guys along with us and see as much as we can. As you know, we're on a time crunch. It gets dark here in Hawaii. I believe it's like 6 o'clock this time of year. It is late October, but we're going to see as much as we can on the road to Hana before we have reservations at
Waiʻānapanapa
from 3 to 6, and they say to get there within the first 30 minutes. So we got to try to get to Waiʻānapanapa by 3, and then we want to do the I already forgot the name of the national park. Haleakala. We want to do trail in there that's past Hana Town. So let's go. All right, we are at our first stop. It's called Twin Falls and Upper Falls. There's 3 different falls. One, she said, one's a 5-minute, one's a 10-minute, and one's a 25-minute walk. So we're gonna go explore. There is open to swimming, but we are in a big time crunch, so we probably won't be doing that. We've made it to the first falls. Man, this is so awesome through here. It is such an awesome place. It does cost $10 to park, but so far it's well worth it. And we've only been to one waterfall. All right, guys, so we have spotted waterfall number 2 coming up in a bit. All right, that was waterfall number 2. That was pretty cool. Now on to waterfall number 3. This is still, man, it's $10 to park, but that's the only charge there is. And you can be here as long as you want. You can be here all day. We don't have all day. We just have a limited time. So we want to see as much as the road to Hana has to offer as possible. But you can spend all day here. You can swim in each one of the pools. Each one of the waterfalls have a pool underneath them. And You can swim there, hang out there, have picnics there, you know, enjoy your day. But this is beautiful. It is well worth $10 to park and well worth your time to visit. All right, guys, we made it to waterfall number 3. This one's pretty big. It's pretty sweet looking.
So we just finished up with the Twin and Upper Falls.
It was very beautiful, very awesome area, and we would, I think Maddie would agree, highly recommend it, but beware, it's like one of the first stops on the Hana Highway, so
it is very busy.
Very, very busy. It's a very beautiful area. You can almost see about everything you want to see as far as waterfalls, giant bamboo, everything to do with like a rainforest type vibe. It was very awesome, but now we're on to stop 2. Let's go. Look how awesome these trees are. These are the rainbow eucalyptus trees. Look at that. That is so awesome. All the way up them. These things are cool. It sucks. You can tell people's scratched in them and drawed on them and stuff like that. But I wish people wouldn't do that. But look how awesome they are. Checked another box on the road to Hana. We just seen some rainbow eucalyptus. Oh, that was pretty sweet. Those trees are awesome. They look even better in person. I don't know what they're going to turn out like on the video, but they were
pretty sweet.
In person, they are awesome. Next stop, let's go.
So if you guys don't have anything to do when you come to Maui, we highly recommend doing the road to Hana. It is beautiful.
It's absolutely stunning.
There's so many stops along the way that you can stop and look at, a variety of about everything.
Yeah, like we said, we don't have time to really stop at everything. We're trying to do as much as we possibly can, but it is, just driving it is absolutely beautiful. You won't be able to stop recording. Everything. Unless you're from here, I guess. We're from Missouri, so this stuff is all new and absolutely stunning. It is beautiful down here. But next stop is the
Black Sand Beach at Waiʻānapanapa
State Park, and our reservation is 3 o'clock. So we're kind of pushing our time because they want us to be there within 30 minutes of 3 o'clock. So that might be our next stop on this drive. So let's go. All right, we have made it. We made our time slot and we are here at Waiʻānapanapa State Park. Our first black sand beach, Waiʻānapanapa State Park. It looks pretty popular. So because it's so packed here, we decided to do this trail. This is a pretty section though. These black rocks, when they're wet, they just shine. It's crazy. And look at this point here, guys. Holy cow, check this out. This is awesome. Check this out. This is so wicked. Man, this is cool. Walk along this coast here. Wow. Okay guys, listen close. When the big wave comes up, listen to the rocks. Listen to the rocks rolling back down out of it. Well, listen. That's pretty cool. Nice, I got that. All right, guys. So I don't know if it come up on video really good, but there was like a water chute, I guess, where big waves come in and go poof, and it blows up in a hole and just splashes everywhere. Well, the one I got I thought was good. So we're sitting down there looking at crabs and stuff. Maddie comes down and we're sitting there looking at crabs and some snails and stuff like that. And one just comes shooting up in there and it goes, I bet you every bit of 30 feet in the air and just drowns us. We are soaked. We look like we've been swimming now, but that's the fun. I mean, super salty. I like salt water, but that was pretty sweet. That was intense. Let's go do more. To be completely honest, when we first got here, this whole area looked to be overrun with people, and rightfully so. It's a very beautiful area, but you know how we are. We love hiking, so instead of sitting there with all the people on the beach, I mean, it's a little beach. It is a little beach. Instead of sitting there with all the people, we decided to come on this hike, and it is awesome. I mean, it's at the Waiʻānapanapa State Park as well. I mean, it is a very awesome hike. And I mean, if you have the same situation, you get here and there's a lot of people, do not be afraid to come over here to this trail. It's at the very end of the beach. So when you get down there, it'll be the Hana lava, or the lava tube kind of thing, where it leads you to the sea. And we're gonna do that a little later. But you walk all the way across the beach and it'll be on your left hand side, and you just walk in and you just follow this trail, and it is beautiful. It's just incredible to me. We're literally walking on lava, like lava rock. I mean, it is, I don't know, that's crazy to me. It's incredible that we're just walking across basically new land, and these islands are growing daily. I mean, it ain't very much, but they are growing daily. So alongside this trail, this looks like an episode of Unsolved Mysteries. There's an unmarked, what looks to be a grave site with a tombstone up there by where Maddie's standing. It's a very beautiful place to be buried though, I guess, if that's what this is. Oh wow guys, look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. Check this out. This is worth the hike itself. Oh man, look at that. Amazing. Guys, check out this blowhole. See if it shoots up again. Hopefully it don't shoot up all over us like the last one. Here it comes. Oh, that wasn't a very good one. Come on, you got better. Come on. Here it comes. Oh. Boom! That's a good one. We are going to explore the Waiʻānapanapa lava tube. Looks like the initial is a low bridge, and it opens up pretty wide in here. Holy cow, that is wicked. Oh, it's gonna get you. Holy cow, check that out. Woo! Goodness, it just got me. I told you it's gonna get us. Oh man, the second one that got me. This is what it looks like looking back towards the beach from the water here. So this is like walking back through that little hole that we came through. This is pretty cool. I mean, there's little holes that shoot out of it. Pretty neat. This is pretty cool. Here's just another amazing lookout here at Waiʻānapanapa State Park, Black Sands Beach. Man, check out this one. Of course, we can't go anywhere without Maddie making a friend. So we left Waiʻānapanapa State Park.
Had to kind of rush and scary roads a little bit.
Yeah,
So,
scary roads because we
didn't film on the road, but we are here now at
Haleakala National Park to do the Pīpīwai trail, and it ought to be a pretty epic trail. We wanted to end our Road to Hana trip or the Road to Hana video here. So technically we're past Hana, but we still think this still is part of the Road to Hana. So we're gonna do this trail. Let's go.
beginning the Pīpīwai trail. We are going this way.
Like Maddie said earlier, we are a little rushed for time, so we're going to try to hustle and get this. It's a 7-mile trail, 3.5 miles out, 3.5 miles back, but it ought to be an awesome trail. It's got a really cool tree and I mean just a lot of awesome features on it, so stay tuned. Let's go. Well, maybe we were misled, and we just had a sign back there that said we were close to 1.8 miles out to the falls, so maybe it's only 2 miles out and 2 miles back, so we won't have to hustle as much as we thought we were going to at the beginning. But this is so crazy. This is unlike anything I've ever seen before. As far as nature and I guess a rainforest. Man, this is awesome. And this is only our first island. This is Maui. So we are looking forward to the other 3 that we get to visit. Oahu, Kauai, and the Big Island. So be looking for those videos as well. This is what we're hoping to see. Hopefully it's flowing like that. Wow, guys, check out this tree. This thing is amazing. I hope it ain't too dark to see. This tree is massive. Look at it. That is magnificent. That's one of the coolest trees I think I've ever seen. Even the tree limbs are growing down into the ground. Wow. If you follow me and Maddie, you know how we love bridges. And this is pretty cool. I hear water too, so it's coming. There's waterfalls somewhere. Oh, and it leads us into the bamboo forest. Hey, that was the next one. I didn't want to spoil it, but the bamboo forest is next. And check this out. Wow, I didn't even realize this. Check out this bamboo. All around this trail, just covers it. I mean, it's getting dark, but it almost makes it look black through here. Uh-oh. And Maddie found another bridge. We like our bridges. Check it out. That's cool. Oh, that wind feels good too. Wow, look at that. Check that out. I think we got a little climb after bridge number 2. This trail's pretty good incline all the way out, so just forewarn, it's got a pretty steady incline. So, I mean, but you get to go up, out. That means you get to come down, coming back, right? Easy peasy. Guys, this is crazy. I wish it was a little lighter outside, because I wish you guys could see this bamboo. This is crazy. And then to listen to the wind, it's kind of windy right now, so listen to the wind bouncing the bamboo stalks off of each other. It reminds me of that King Kong when it has that giant bamboo monster, or it looks like a bamboo monster. It has the legs that's in the big old stalks of bamboo, and they look up and got a big old monster. Let's hope that don't happen to us, but kind of what it reminds me of. But this is crazy. All right, so there's a nice elevated boardwalk through this bamboo forest, but the wind just blew, and we literally thought it was like coming down buckets of rain, because this, like I said, this bamboo stalks just bounce off of each other. So it made the craziest sound. It was so cool. But we're making our way. Hopefully the waterfalls are next. It's getting dark. We gotta hurry. All right, guys. So hopefully we can show you guys the waterfall, but it has become dark on us, so we had to break out the headlamps. So hopefully we can show you guys the falls, and then we're gonna try to hustle it back, because it is kind of spooky out here in the dark. We made it. Let's go see what it looks like. I hope you can see it. Sorry guys, the picture is going to be a little blurry, but there it is. That is awesome. I wish we could have got here in the daylight to have a better picture. Well, we're definitely walking back in the dark. Walking back with headlamps. It shouldn't be too bad though, but it is going to be 2.5 miles back in the dark through forest that we've never been before. So wish us luck. We'll see you back at the car, hopefully. Let's go. All right, we made it. We made it back to our awesome little car. Honestly, guys, on the road to Hana, this car is probably perfect. As much as we've made fun of it, this car is probably perfect, because this highway is little, so you need a little car, just FYI.